All right, so if you're looking at this problem, it's because you bumped into some variables. You've seen a version of variables before, or you at least have seen, or at least you have an understanding of how it works. It's maybe not a question mark, maybe it's a box or a blank, whatever it might be. But typically what people will do is on a flashcard, they will put 2 plus, hello, how are you? They will put 2 plus 3 equals question mark, or they will put 5 plus question mark equals 7. We obviously know that this is 5 in our brain, and we obviously know that 5 plus 2 equals 7. In those expressions, the question mark itself represents a variable or an unknown amount that needs to be found. But sometimes you're told the value of the variable and it's your job to substitute it into a problem. Substitute means replace it with something else. When you have a substitute in class, your teacher is replaced by the substitute. So therefore, all you have to do is just remember that they are telling you what's going on. So here you have 3 variables, t, u, and v. And it's saying that they want you to find v in this question when they know that t is equal to 5 and u is equal to 4. Now, first off, my suggestion for you, especially as you're getting into math until you master it, is to substitute carefully using parentheses. So what I'm going to do is turn my t, which is this, into a 5. Plus, I see u. Do I know what the value of u is? Yep, u is equal to 4. So 4 equals, I don't know v, so v just stays the same. Now I use my brain, and that's where it gets tough. You have to do whatever's in front of you. So 5 plus 4 equals something. Well, that something has to be 9, and that is your answer. That's all it is. It's asking you to take the information they give you, plug it into whatever equation they give you, and then work out whatever it is. Just like they could give you a question like this that says, given m plus n equals p, find n when m is 9 and p is 11. Well, again, when you read this, m is 9, so let's put that here, plus n I don't have, so leave it alone, equals p, which is 11. Well, just thinking about this, 9 plus something equals 11. What is that something? You're smart enough to do that without the algebra learning that we know. 9 plus 2 is equal to 11, so that means that n has to equal 2. That's all it's asking you to do, is find the value when it's there. So again, sometimes they will have you find it in other ways, sometimes they give you the value, but the key thing to remember is whenever you change a number into a variable, just to be safe, especially because this is going to get tougher, make sure you use parentheses and do so carefully. But outside of that, if you're having a question on that, please talk to your teacher. If I'm your teacher, please talk to me. And have a good day. I will talk to you later.